Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. Finally, Apple releases iOS 17.4 starting from the iPhone 10s up to the latest iPhone. First thing first, how you can install this update is quite simple. If you're using iOS 17.3 or 3.1, what you need to do is simply go to settings, then go to general, then go to software update, and you will see the update. But if you are running iOS 17.4 RC update, you will not see the update. The RC update will automatically become the public update, so you don't have to install any update if you are running iOS 17.4 RC update. Now here are lots of new features. I'm going to talk about all these features in this video, starting with very first thing. There is a new transcript feature in the Apple podcast. So if you're a podcast listener, if you love to listen podcast, you can now also read podcast over here. As you can see, the transcript button is available down over here. Tapping over this will show the transcript of the podcast, from where you can read the podcast. There are almost around 30 new emojis that are available with the iOS 17.4. You can get access to these new emojis by your keyboard running iOS 17.4. Also, the highlighting feature is not these features. The highlighting feature is the alternative app stores available in the iOS 17.4 only for the EU region. So EU recently forced Apple to bring third-party app stores to install the applications that are not available on the official app store. Now this feature is available in the Android for so many years, from where you can install different APKs, different stores, but now it is coming to the iPhone only in the EU region. I definitely have mixed feelings about this. Let me know in the comment section below that what you guys think about alternative app stores. Now, in the iOS 17.3, there was a new highlighting feature that was stolen device protection that ensures the safety of your iPhone. Now, that feature is a bit improved with the iOS 17.4. So, going into settings and going over here in the Face ID and passcode, let me tap my passcode. Going all the way down, here is the stolen device protection menu, as you can see, from where you can get access to this feature. I will suggest you to turn this feature on. This is going to be secure your iPhone even further, which is really good. There are also new battery health menu with the iOS 17.4. Going into the settings and battery, you can access the battery health menu, but unfortunately this feature is only available for the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro Max models. I don't know why this didn't came to the older iPhones. It should be here. It seems a software feature, so maybe Apple coming with that feature later, but for now it is only available for the latest iPhone. Now talking about how is the performance, I am using iOS 17.4 RC for so long. It's been a couple of days I'm using it, I'm testing its performance and battery life, and I can definitely talk about this. Now going into the Geekbench score, I want to show you the Geekbench score of the iOS 17.4. Here you can see the Geekbench score are quite impressive. Now going over here, as you can see, on a single core I'm getting 2350. Well, on the average iPhone it will be 2222, so which means on iOS 17.4 it is better. Going for the multi-core, as you can see, I am getting 5844, which is again much better than the average one, which means the performance on the iOS 17.4 is really good. Now let's talk about bit about the battery life, and this is the department where I am a bit disappointed. Now going over here, as you can see, I used more than 100% of my battery life, and I am getting screen on time of 9 hours and 41 minutes for 110% almost, and this is not impressive. On the 17.2 and the 17.3, the battery life was bit better, but it is not as good on the iOS 17.4. I also played PUBG Mobile for 1 hour 16 minutes, but still I am bit disappointed with the battery life. Now going over here, if I show you my this day, as you can see, I used more than 75% of my battery according to this graph, and screen on time is 7 hours 47 minutes. Now here it is quite better because I played PUBG Mobile a bit less, but if I play PUBG Mobile more, I am not getting as good battery life. It is taking a lot of battery for, I don't know, for some reason. So maybe it gets better with the 17.4 public update, but on the 17.4 RC I am bit disappointed with the battery life. Now these are all the things that are new in the iOS 17.4, and I also talk about the performance and the battery life of the 17.4. A simple question, should you update? So if you're running iOS 17.3 or iOS 17.3.1, if the performance is your main concern, you can definitely upgrade to this version. But you may get a bit not good battery, because that is the problem with the every iOS update. Whenever new update comes, there are bit compromises with the battery life. But overall, it's a good update, and I think you should update to this one. Well, that's it from this video. I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Do like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until that, take care. Peace out.